Addressing the beneficiaries, Ondo State Governor Oluwarotimi Akeredolu explained that the Okidipupa-Igbokoda bypass will eliminate traffic congestion, open up and boost economic activities in the Southern Senatorial District of the state. Governor Akeredolu, represented by the Commissioner of Education Femi Agagu, advised the people in the area to cooperate with the contractors to deliver quality jobs that will stand the test of time.
Even if you don't know the economics of that, I'm sure that you will remember that before the road that passed through out of there before the road, land was practically worthless in that place.
On their part, Ondo State Commissioner for Works, Taufik Abdulsalam, and Deputy Speaker of Ondo State House of Assembly, Ironju Ogundeji, while commending Governor Akeredolu for making life easy for the people, urged them to reciprocate the gesture.
We're expecting the license to our people, and we're expecting the road from Lagos down to Arrow to start very soon. I want to start the road that will lead to that place to create a lot of traffic around. But that's why the government is having this bypass, so that there will not be traffic within the Okidipupa township.
Bring development to people, when people will say they don't want it. But here, especially in they embrace this developmental style of the government. So I want to appreciate it. I'm particularly happy that this project is coming at this time soon.
The occasion was witnessed by some traditional rulers in the area. This is the second set of beneficiaries compensated by the Ondo State government within 1 month. From Okidipupa in the Southern Senatorial District of Ondo State, Jonah Omowa reporting.